Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of time and clocks. Get ready to have fun while learning. Let's start with analog clocks. Look at this clock. It's like a round clock face with two special hands. The short hand shows the hours, and the long hand tells us the minutes. See how the short hand points to the number that tells us the hour, and the long hand shows where the minutes are. Imagine the short hand is like the big hand of a puppet telling us the hour. The long hand is like the small hand showing the minutes. But wait, there's another type of clock. It's called a digital clock. It shows the time using numbers. The big numbers tell us the hour, and the small numbers tell us the minutes. See how the numbers change to show the time passing by. Now you can read time from both analog and digital clocks. Let's practice. If the analog clock's short hand points to 3 and the long hand points to 12, and the digital clock says 3 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock. You've got it. Now, let's talk about something super cool: elapsed time. Elapsed time is like a magical stopwatch that tells us how much time has passed. Imagine you start playing at 2:30 p.m. and finish at 4:15 p.m. To find out how much time you played, subtract 2:30 from 4:15. That's 1 hour and 45 minutes of fun. You can use elapsed time to find out how long a movie is, or how much time it takes to do your homework. Remember, time is like a journey, and clocks are your trusty guides. So, whether it's analog or digital, time is exciting. If you enjoyed learning about time and clocks, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Reading Readiness Centers, for more fun and educational content. Thank you for watching. And until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.